Hello and welcome back to 𝐤𝐤𝐞, your definitive guide to top-notch tech. Today, we're diving into the best of the best vlogging cameras, the ones that don't just outshine your phone, but make your vlog smooth and stunning. So, if you're serious about vlogging, this is a must-watch. Let's jump right in. Remember that you have a link to all the products in the description. 5. Sony ZV-E10. Are you in pursuit of a petite, yet versatile vlogging camera that offers a wider range of adaptability? You may find that the ZV-E10 suits your requirements ideally. Rooted in the relatively dated hardware of the Sony a6100, which accounts for its budget-friendly cost, the ZV-E10 incorporates a plethora of video-centric functionalities. These make it an appealing substitute to the ZV-1, especially if you relish the ability to experiment with various lenses and focal lengths to achieve diverse effects. Drawing its foundation from the same 24.2 MP sensor utilized by numerous of its A6000 series brethren, the ZV-E10 possesses both merits and demerits. On one hand, the expansive sensor delivers commendable video and image quality, considering its cost, and is particularly adept in low-light environments when juxtaposed with its rivals equipped with smaller sensors. The ZV-E10 features an electronic steady shot to alleviate handheld camera shakes, coupled with excellent software attributes like the product showcase as seen on the ZV-1. Moreover, the ZV-E10's autofocus is unarguably the best in its price range. Hence, the ZV-E10 emerges as an exciting new prospect for vloggers. 4. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Retaining the compact sensor, display, and casing of its predecessor, the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the Hero 10 Black doesn't revolutionize the action camera concept. However, it does provide a more sophisticated user experience, setting itself apart as the most adaptable action cam for adventurous vloggers. An enhanced touchscreen interface coupled with a streamlined menu system greatly simplify its usability, while the state-of-the-art GP2 processor delivers impeccable performance. This chip accelerates 5K frame rates to 60p, paving the way for smoother vlogs, while supporting 4K at up to 120 frames per second for crisp slow-motion clips that truly engage viewers. Image stabilization also sees considerable improvement, with the introduction of Hypersmooth 4.0 and horizon leveling, ensuring supremely stable footage even when tilting at 45 degrees. Live streaming, though still subject to certain constraints, now supports Hypersmooth 4.0. Couple this with a water-repelling lens cover and the Hero 10 Black's existing durability, and you have an action cam that easily outperforms its competitors when it comes to delivering high-quality video in challenging environments, despite more economical alternatives offering comparable value. 3. Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30, a compact APS-C camera, is explicitly designed for vlogging neophytes. Ditching the traditional viewfinder, it instead opts for a flexible, angle-adjustable touchscreen. This model bears a strong resemblance to the Sony ZV-E10, leading to its recognition as Nikon's most compact and cost-effective mirrorless camera. Its 3.0-inch display demonstrated user-friendly operation. When adjusted for vlogging, the camera intuitively switches to selfie mode, providing dependable face tracking through its steadfast autofocus. The scope of Nikon's lenses is currently somewhat sparse. Nonetheless, the sharpness of the 16 to 50 mm kit lens is commendable. As the Z30 records utilizing the entire breadth of the sensor, the lens's maximum field of view can be fully exploited. An electronic vibration reduction feature further enhances handheld vlogging, albeit with a limiting 1.3x crop at arm's distance. Coupled with an array of color profiles and handy additions like a tally lamp, the Z30 emerges as a proficient tool for budding content creators. 2. Panasonic Lumix GH6. The GH6 comes equipped with a more precise 25.2 MP Micro Four Thirds sensor, and boasts the capacity to capture stunning 5.7K footage at a smooth 60 frames per second. The array of formats, frame rates, and resolutions it provides is expansive, including an extended variety of 10-bit modes. Plus, with the implementation of a forced fan cooling system, the GH6 pushes boundaries by allowing unlimited recording duration. Though it's slightly larger than the GH5 Mark II, the GH6 manages to maintain a relatively compact and portable design. Its rugged construction is augmented by intuitive controls and newly added tally lights at the front and rear. The versatile 3-inch rear touchscreen, with flipping, twisting, and tilting capabilities, further enhances its appeal. Additionally, a new video record button at the front has been introduced, simplifying the process for vloggers to begin recording. One significant enhancement lies in the stabilization department, where an algorithmic upgrade has positioned the GH6 as one of the leading cameras in delivering natural, smooth footage when capturing walking movements. 1. Fujifilm X-S10. Undeniably one of the premier mirrorless cameras in its price bracket, the Fujifilm X-S10 boasts a versatility that excels in various shooting scenarios, vlogging included. While it may not be the most affordable or compact choice in this selection, the X-S10 emerges as our leading recommendation for video content creators, given its exemplary quality and substantial return on investment. Couple it with an XC15-45mm kit lens, and you've got an excellent vlogging toolkit at your disposal. It enables the capture of uncropped 4K/30p footage, features an in-body image stabilization system that mitigates the blurriness caused by handheld shooting, and includes a variable angle screen that swivels to facilitate self-portraits. Furthermore, the X-S10 comes loaded with an array of valuable functionalities, including full HD recording at 240p for 10x slow-motion visuals. Adding to its charm, the X-S10 boasts a sophisticated vintage aesthetic, coupled with a comfortable grip that makes it an appealing option for still photography as well. Bearing in mind the extensive array of features it brings to the table, it presents itself as a cost-effective choice. And there you have it, our top picks for vlogging cameras in 2023. Check the description for links to all these cameras. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.